Okay, I'm going to do something that some people might consider a little crazy, but I'm going to add some faux wormholes using India ink. The beauty of India ink is once it dries, you can put varnishes over it or even more stain over it, and it won't affect it because it's waterproof. I'm just putting some ink in this old ratty toothbrush. Now I'm just going to splatter it. I don't know if you can see that. You can do it over here too. Well, the second coat of stain has finally dried, and I'm able to proceed with the actual assembly of this little piece of furniture while my dryer tumbles my clothes dry in the other part of the basement. Okay, of course, the first thing I do is dry fit to make sure I get the clamps where they're supposed to go. Okay, that's both of the shelves, the lower and the upper, and I am going to give them both a complete 24 hours to dry. I just did a dry fit of one of the legs. Perfect fit. I think I might actually glue that one and clamp that one in place while the rest of it continues to dry. If I do so, it won't put too much stress, if any, on the other joints that are currently glued and clamped. There we go. Let that go overnight as well. Okay, the second leg will only take 2 clamps to get the job done. So this is just the dry fit. So I'm going to put some wax paper underneath both of those joints and glue this up. Final dry fit. Again, I only need to use 2 clamps for this. And then tomorrow I will be able to finish it. I'm thinking on tung oil varnish. A couple of coats of that. This is the before and after. I think I might actually remove the cove molding in that corner and fix the end there by the archway and give it a fresh coat of paint, just so I'll be able to move everything back about an inch, make it fit into the corner tighter. We'll see. Another project. Anyway, this is part 8. I can't believe it took 8 parts to get this thing done, but I appreciate any of you who have stayed the course and watched as far as this. Thanks very much.